Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about AWS VPC, how we can use like flow logs, like if you want to monitor your traffic over the internet, right? What kind of inbound request is coming, what kind of outbound is request going on from your network, right? From your network, like network nothing but the virtual private network, right? Virtual private cloud, right? If you want to monitor that, then how we can monitor by using that VPC prolog which is provided by AWS in the VPC. So I will show you that how we can set up that VPC prolog, and then I will demonstrate like I will set up some of the server, and then I will load some of the traffic, and then I will show you like how the IP address all it is monitoring here. Okay guys, so let's move on to the AWS console. So I hope that monitoring in the sense like it's kind of security, right? So if you want to make like secure your application, like if you want to prevent some of the suppose incoming resource incoming request, you don't want to give that access, right? Then those IP address you can stop access your application, right? Such kind of thing if you want to do, then VPC prolog is the good option to monitor your network. Okay guys, let's move on to AWS console. So this is my VPC here. So let us go to the VPC, and I have already one default VPC. By using that also it's I am going to demonstrate, and if you don't have any VPC, then please refer my previous video where I have demonstrated how we can create the VPC, or if you want to recover your default VPC, then how we can recover the default VPC also. That video I have already demonstrated in my previous session. I will give those link to this video description. Okay guys, don't worry. So let's move on to this VPC. First let me show you that what all component we have in this VPC. So VPC basically subnet is there already, route table, route like a default route table is there, and internet gateway also, default internet gateway. Since it is a default VPC, right, everything default is already available, so I no need to manage anything in terms of creating the VPC. Okay guys, so let's move on to the VPC again. And in this VPC, if you go like details and resource map, this is coming as a new. So let me just quickly show you that resource map how it will be looks. It is basically flow path, like this is default VPC, and how all the subnet how it is highlighting, right? So it is going this route table, and it is going to that internet gateway, something like that. And here we have option is the flow logs, right? So let's go click on the flow logs. Now you can see here I don't have any flow logs, it's totally empty, right? So now let us create a one flow log. So just click on this action. If you have multiple VPC, then from which VPC you want to create the flow log, first you have to select that. Since I have here one VPC, so I have selected that, and let's click on the create VPC flow log. This is the option you have to select. Okay, so once you click here, right here we have to give the VPC flow log name. Suppose I am going to give that like a C prologue. Okay guys, and here we have option, filter option, what kind of traffic you want to monitor, right? Either it's a accept or reject, or maybe all traffic, whatever traffic is coming, like accept, reject, all, including everything you want to capture, that also you can select. So let us select the all here. And how many intervals, since it is a demo, right? In actual production maybe we are not giving 1 minute, so maybe 10 minutes also we can select. But since it's a demo, right, within a minute I want to show you that that logs in this CloudWatch log, right? So that's why I am selecting here 1 minute. And here multiple option is there for destination, like where you want to push your data for this monitoring, whatever monitoring you want to do, right? That logs data where you want to push. Either you can push to the CloudWatch logs group, or you can push to S3 bucket, or here there are other keys also. There are some of the option is available. Okay guys, so for this today's demo, let's select the CloudWatch only. We are going to push our logs to the CloudWatch. Okay guys, then let's select the CloudWatch, and here two options here. One is the destination log groups, nothing but the CloudWatch logs groups if you select. So I need to give the CloudWatch logs here. So let us check this. So let us go to that first. I have any CloudWatch logs or not? CloudWatch. Otherwise we will create one logs group. Let me show you that how we can create also. Okay guys, so let us go to the logs groups. Here I have already one logs group. If we want, we can utilize this logs group also, or we can create simply, very simple. Let me show you that also. Here like demo VPC log group, something like that. Okay, CloudWatch. Okay, and never expire or one day expire, how we want to select that we can standard, and if ARN is that is the mandatory. Then if you click on create, right, it will start create. Let me create that. We'll going to demonstrate by using this logs group itself. Okay guys, so if you go here inside this log groups, nothing is there, nothing is there. Okay guys, so let us go here and just refresh, and then we can select this VPC logs. And one more option is the IAM role. So this is the main important part, guys. That point keep in mind. So whenever we are giving the role, right, the IAM role is the very important part here. Why? Because IAM role should contain this is the AWS document, and that IAM role should be as per this document only. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, guys. So I have already created one IAM role. Let me show you that also. Okay, so let us go to here. Let's go to the IAM section, and let's go to the roles. So this is my IAM role which I have created here, and let us see that what all permission I have here. So this permission is very much important, guys, so that part keep in mind, and I will give that link to also in this video description. So I have these are the permission here, like a kind of set of permission. Okay guys, after if you not give this kind of permission, it won't work, it will give an error also, guys. So this point keep in mind, we have to give this kind of all this permission. Okay guys, so let's move on to that this is the one I referred actually, guys, for this demo. So I will give this link to this video description also, so that you guys can refer that. Okay guys, so this is the one I have taken. And one more important part, guys, keep in mind, otherwise you will get that access deny error, or maybe sometime access permission issue also. Okay guys, so this trust relationship, this is also one important part here. So you have to give this VPC prolog this service, you have to select this service here. By default, when you are creating that IAM role, right, suppose let me show you that quickly one thing here, guys. So let's go to here, let us create one IAM role. Suppose I am going to create a EC2. Okay, and let's go here just quickly, just for you guys, I am just showing you. I am nothing, I am selecting here. Okay, so let us go here and let's give the role name demo. Okay, demo VPC or IAM. Okay, something like that I am giving. And by default the trusted entry is there, right? So let us just create this, and let me show you that. Now demo C prologue, right? This is the one just now we created, right? If you come here, right, if you go to trusted here, it by default it is EC2. So what we need to do, we have to otherwise I will show you these two IAM role itself, I will show you that. Let me go here, I have don't have any permission here, so let us add the permission, or maybe create inline policy here also. And let's select the JSON here, and then whatever JSON we have here, just select this and put it here. Even though we have given that this one, right? So and then the role name. And then we can select this one, and then next we have to give this trusted entry also. Okay guys, how we can edit that also, let me show you that. Just come here and go to the trusted entry, and then edit policy, and here we have to give that trusted entry, then edit it. Okay guys, this is how we have to create the IAM rule, and this part keep in mind. Okay, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay guys, so now let's go to here, our lost group is created successfully, and our IAM role also ready. So let us select that our IAM role, so demo VPC prolog. Okay, so this is the IAM role which I have already created with this permission. So whatever now I created, I not give that permission properly. Okay guys, so that keep in mind. And then that format, like that record format, if you have any your custom format, you can custom format also, or if you want to default whatever it is there, that also you can choose as per your requirement, you can select this one. Okay guys, so let's create the VPC this log flow here. So it is created here, and I have given filter is all, and it is in active. Now let us, I don't have any server now here, so let us launch some of the server here. So let's go here and go to the EC2 running instance. So let us launch instance here. So cloud tech demo VPC Pro. Okay, okay, and let us come down here and go down, and let us select the key pair, which I have already have this key pair. So if you don't have, you can create also, and go down. I have security group also. Let us select that security group here, little more down, and then launch the instance. Okay guys, let's keep everything default. For more details about the EC2 instance, I have already demonstrated in my previous video. You guys can refer that too also. Okay, so let us come here, and it will take few seconds. Meantime, what we are going to do with this particular EC2 instance, we are launching, like we need some traffic, right? So for that, what we are going to do, we'll launch one HTTP server here, and we'll try to access that server like a kind of static website. Okay, then we'll see that that VPC, that log group, the data is there or not. Okay guys, so let's go here. Our instance is running here, so let us take this instance here, come here, and let us edit this session. Now let's go here, and let me see that the instance is running or not. Yeah, it is running. Sudo su, I am able to access also. So now what we are going to do, we'll launch one one, what I can say, we can launch one like a static web application here, so that we can access it. Okay, and I will install one Apache server also here. So let us do that, all these things. So it is going on one by one. Okay, so it's almost done. Symbolic link also created, and we can check the status also. Let me show you the status here. So the server, Apache server status, basically it is running or not, we can check. So it is running. Okay, so let us try this, access this this website from the browser. So let's see, since it is a HTTP, not a HTTPS, so let us give this. Now I am able to access that web application also. Okay guys, now let's move on to the CloudWatch. Okay, so before that, let me go to here VPC log, and let's see here. So it is inactive, and let's go to the CloudWatch and just refresh this. Now our logs is started logging, right? Here we can see our logs, CloudWatch log. It was empty right earlier. Now I can able to see now what it is content here. ENI, if you see, right, this is the ENI. It is from this that the request is coming, right? So let's see one sample example here. See here, accept, okay, 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 all this thing, right? So this is the thing which is there, right? So this is how we can log our, like, all the incoming request, whatever it is coming. We can monitor our we can monitor our network also. Okay guys, so we can see our ENI, timing, all these thing, data, no data. Okay, and if you want, we can stop this instance also. Let us stop this instance. See, well, all are okay. See. Okay, everything is there. So I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please subscribe my channel, share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and that will really help to me to create such kind of video. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.